Welcome back friends. I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, I made a plan to work on my index.html, but when I see it, it is not looking very well because it is header banner is not showing and this text is overlapping over these images. So I have decided that first of all, I do some work over large.css, this style sheet. And as you know that I have already linked all these style sheet with my index.html. So friend, first of all, I delete all these text and Control S to save. And here I write at charset, double quotes and semicolon to close. And I will write UTF/8. So friend, now I press enter and here I will make a comment static and comment close, and inside I will write layout I make parentheses and I write global rules for all size. Control S to save. So friend, here first of all I will call the body. So I write here body and make two curly brackets, and inside first I will give it margin 0 and padding 0, semicolon to close. So friend, now I will call the header a.logo. I show you first, Control S to save, that when I made this header, I bring down under the body. You see this, I made this header tag, and inside this header I made an anchor link and I gave a class and named it logo. So friend, I am calling this class header a anchor tag and dot logo. So friend, first of all I will write here display block and then position absolute, background position column 0 pixel and 0 pixel. Background repeat slash repeat column no repeat. Control S to save. So friend, now I come here and refresh this page. So you see that it has been moved to little left and nothing more has been happened over it. So once again I go back to my Notepad++ code editor and I press enter. So friend, now I will call the navigation bar. So first of all I define it is with 100%, not pixel. Display block position absolute semicolon to close, and I also defined some background color orange. Control S to save. So friend, here I will write some comment static, and inside I will write layout large screens parenthesis, and here I will write default for older browsers. Now I will use all the properties which will be default for older browsers. So first of all, I will call the header and friend, I will define it is height 150 pixel. Press enter, and now I will call the background, and I will give a URL, mean an image to background URL and parenthesis, and here I will first write the folder name images, and first of all I bring you to that folder, images folder. So friend, this is the large banner, large/banner JPG. Its extension is JPG. So I will write here large/banner dot JPG, and here I will write no repeat, write 0 pixel. Control S to save. So now friend, I go to my Chrome browser and refresh this page. So friend, you see that this header image is showing here, but still there is a space between this our main image and the header image. So I come back here, so friend, now I call the header logo, header a dot logo class, curly brackets, and inside I will define the properties. First I will define it is width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel. Control S to save, because I have made this logo, this is the large logo, yes, and its dimension is 100 multiply 100 pixel height and 100 pixel width. Therefore I have given its width 100 pixel and height 100 pixel. So I define it is top position 50 pixel, and I also define it is right position 40 pixel, and now I call the background image background/image URL parenthesis and semicolon. So inside these parentheses, first I will write the folder name images / and then the image name large/logo.png. I bring you to folder that large/logo and png is it is extension. Control S to save. So now friend, I go to my Chrome browser and refresh this page. So you see that this logo is showing here. So now friend, I once again go back here, and I think this video has enough lengthy, and now in next video I will come back and do some more work over it. In this video I have stylized the body, header a logo, nav, and once again header and header a logo.